Hey friends, if you encounter the error you are not authorized to access this web page as per .com compliance, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. What does this error mean? This error means that you are not allowed to view that web page. So there can be three reasons. Either the website has blocked you for some personal reason, or your region does not allow it, or your ISP doesn't allow it. For example, a website may be prohibited in India. So if you're trying to open that website in India, you will get this error message. And similarly, if your ISP doesn't want you to access websites, like in India, a lot of adult websites are banned. In that case, you may encounter this message. So if it is blocked by your ISP, then you will have to contact your ISP. But here's one more thing that you can do. So you can use a free VPN. Now, how do you use a free VPN? I open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. You can choose any one. Select extensions. Go to get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Similarly for Chrome, type the word VPN and hit enter. Okay, there's something called check for free VPNs. Yes, free VPN for Edge. Click on get. Click on add extension. Okay, and let it add the extension. It will need a while, and once it has been added, you can access this from here. Okay, continue, start, and then VPN, turn it on. And once the VPN is on, try to access the same website that you are trying to work. So you can access it for free now. And once you access it for free, it should like open in 99% of the cases. But this is just a workaround. It is not a permanent solution. The website will still remain banned on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.